We will have 5 zombies. They come one at a time.
Okay.
Each zombie has an energy level that reduces when they get shot.
So the zombie dies if there's no energy left.
And the game ends when there are no zombies left.
Cool. Shall we begin?
Well, how to start?
For now, let's consider each zombie as a number.
So, we have 5 zombies and they come one by one. I think we can use a loop for this.
Yes, we can. But which one? While or for?
I'll go with the for loop, as zombies are numbers which appear in sequence.
Yup. Here, each number represents a zombie.
So, the loop starts with the first number in the range.
Which is 1.
Next, Mr. Python moves to the instructions of the loop.
Where he displays the count of zombies.
And the loop continues till the count becomes 5.
Yup, as Mr. Python doesn't consider the last number of the range. What next?
Next, we give energy levels to each zombie.
Let's keep it as 100.
Now we kill the zombies.
So when does a zombie die?
When its energy level hits 0.
Let's say each shot reduces the energy level by 25.
Then a zombie dies in 4 shots. Killer.
So, until the energy level hits 0, we keep shooting?
Yup.
Well, how will you shoot again and again?
Using a loop.
Which one again?
Okay. The loop should run until the energy level hits 0.
Which is nothing but a condition.
That means we use a while loop here.
Righto!
Hey, it looks like the while loop is inside the for loop.
Yup, it is. We create a loop inside a loop.
Just like we create if inside an if.
Sounds good.
And we call them nested loops.
Got that.
Next, we give instructions to the while loop.
Well, we need to shoot.
So for now, let's consider each shot hits the zombie.
And reduces the energy level by 25.
That means we simply reduce 25 in energy level for each shot.
Yup.
And at last, we display the energy level left.